Hey everyone, if you're new here, thanks for checking out my channel. My name is Lathan, and well, I like computers.
Place your bets, ladies and gentlemen.
Ever since I was young, I've always had a passion for computers and technology, whether it was grinding countless hours in RuneScape or feeding my League of Legends addiction. I always like to stay on top of technology, and now this is the field that I've spent my time and energy trying to perfect. As an IT professional and now engineering student, I always liked problem solving. Whether it comes to 3D printing, project making, or coding, I'm in for it all. But of course, we gotta make some time for hobbies like traveling, photography, videography, and video games. Now, I wouldn't call this a video game channel per se, but I do like to show off my gaming setup now and again. So if any of this seems interesting to you, consider subscribing and checking out my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.